y'all, it's your girl Destiny, and I am back with another video. I'm back. I'm back. And if you guys are interested in finding out how I create this eye look, this is a Christmas inspired snowflake look. If you are interested, please keep watching. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're not already, subscribe right here. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. And you have to click all so you get all of my notifications. Okay, I'm done talking. Let's get right into it. Alright, first off, of course, I'm starting with a clean canvas. So I wash my face. And also, I'm going to put primer on. But first, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera because my camera is low. So I'm going to do that off camera. And if you guys are interested in that whole routine, leave it down below. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, my eyebrows are done. And I put concealer on my lid and some setting powder to set that. So now I'm going to grab my Jamrock Palette. And this is the only palette I'll be using today. And the first shade that I'm going to apply is blue right here. And that's called Costume. So I'm going to apply that. Right now I'm going to apply this lighter blue. And I'm applying this on top of the darker blue to blend the top of it out using circular motion. Alright, I'm going to repeat these steps one more time just to intensify everything. Alright, now guys, I'm going to blend it out using a blending brush. Vaseline to do a cut crease. This will give me a cleaner cut crease, hopefully. Dry and wipe it off, or you can actually use a Q-tip also. Alright, now I'm going to use my P. Louise base, and this is in Rumor 4. My setting powder on there too. This is all nighter. I'm going to put this blue right here. You guys can see it. I'm gonna use my NYX glitter primer, and I'll be using some glitter from Moe Glitz. I'll leave all the details in the description box below. Apply that darker blue. Right now, using my white eyeliner, I'm going to outline the cut crease. And on the ends, I'm going to try to draw a snowflake. gonna do and then on each of those lines I'm gonna do little like thorns or arrows. Alright guys, I'm back. My camera did die, so I went ahead and did my face, the rest of my face. If you would like a video on my full face routine, then please leave that down in the comment section below. But now I want to finish the bottom of my eye. So I'm going to take this purple eyeliner, and this is Arcade. Is that Ruby Kiss? Ruby Kiss? Yeah, Ruby Kiss by Kiss. Perfect Precision eyeliner. And everything will be listed down in the comment section below, including my lip and the lashes. I have on Boogi Blink lashes. I'll leave down the exact name in the description box below. Next, I'm gonna apply that dark blue right there. Blend it out, I'm going to apply that blue, that lighter blue right here. This is the second shade that we applied. I'm going to apply it right under there. Kind of blend it out. Alright, in my masquerade mini palette, I have this pretty shimmer color right here that I'm going to apply in my inner corners just to top that out. Alright guys, this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps and let me know that you enjoy what I'm doing. And also don't forget to subscribe. This button right here. Right there. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. You have to remember to select all to actually get all of my notifications. So make sure you do that. And also guys, if you're interested in this look right here, the hair and all that stuff, I do have a series right now called Customizing Your Wig, where I customize this wig and also showed you guys how I applied it. So if you're interested in that, I will leave that linked in the description box. And as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.